Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer Samsung Notes to new Samsung phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Samsung Notes application and we can choose the Samsung Notes we want to transfer. I'm just going to select some of them. But if you want to transfer all the Samsung Notes you have, you just need to tap and hold like this, and then you can click on select all. And make sure you have unlocked your Samsung Notes because we won't be able to transfer the notes if the note is still locked. So you need to unlock it, and I'm just going to select the unlocked notes. I'm gonna go with this one. Oops. This one and this one. And once you're done choosing your Samsung Notes, you can click on share and select share note as Samsung Notes file. So the Samsung Notes file will be able to be opened in your Samsung Notes application on your new phone. And for the method to transfer our Samsung Notes, I recommend you to use Bluetooth or Quick Share. To make the process faster, you can choose Quick Share and you can activate Quick Share on your new Samsung phone. Alright guys, and that's all the way to transfer Samsung Notes to new Samsung phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.